MALUME WABASHANA. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Twin, okay, the blue is valid blue, straight. I'm stuck between wearing this one. This one is nice. It suits me. Just the fact that the only problem is that it's kind of.
So choose the outfit check, guys.
Revealing, so I need to wear a vest. Well, it's very versatile, is the standard. In terms of vest, manje ubole bekujam ekutshela but ngizoqoka le engavisa if ngizofaka and then like this one gives the vibes of a farmer dog, and I am a farmer, but we just it's a talent, so we're just building. Guys, we're going to be growing together. Like, I'm going to be showing my life with you, growing together from the beginning to the highest, man. Like, you know, when you watch things you have done, it's so beautiful. And there's this one t-shirt. You know, we just noting to do. We want nude. It's a nude Monday, guys. So I'm gonna go between these two. Yeah, I also like this one also. So yeah, guys. Let's do it now. Let's iron and see what's going on.
I realized that the best thing to do is to start with the showering, like bathing before, like
any more will be looking to this point of subscribe or subscribe para pompueto.
If you get to iron and then they check your outfit, okay, does the work, does like matches what, or does it need like less bright colors? Because I feel like it's too bright. But like, I feel like it's so bright, but we'll see. I want to look at it, because what do you mean? So it doesn't make sense for them. So right now, we're checking outfits, we're getting ready to go. Yeah, man. Let's do it.
So guys, let's brush them teeth, man. Let's brush them teeth. Brush them teeth, man. I'm the best pictures of me, bro. Yeah. No, I don't believe I want to at the first glance, I felt that as time goes on, I grow. Body. I don't want to say much, but like they like them teeth, man. They're like, oh damn, they're so cute. And I'll be like, so we'll see each other when I'm done, like ironing and everything, like so you can check his outfits. Let's go.
But my woman is that we had time to know him, I guess. Also, we talk about the man child. Babe, I just got to put a clam. And one thing for me is on days of I'm mind. So why not, guys? I don't like this.
One of the laziest rules is that I hate it about is that you can't wear in your head, bro. My outfit won't be nice without it in your head because I'm cool down. So yeah, guys, we are heading to what now? Let's go. I talked about not wearing my info on this. At some point, I do understand the word in Africa. I will pass in first. I will outfit in first. I want to get mind in just take this off. I don't feel like I have to take off the hat. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's not face. So guys, yeah, man, I told you I should check right now. We're heading to this is my lunch break and it's Monday, guys. Hope this will last. Even if it don't last, I will do it. Hope this will last for my it's very good. So let's do it. Yes, yeah, for the chair. I said that I can't film while I'm working, but just know it's your MALUME is working. Guys, I'm going to the gym now. If there's nothing that's gonna disturb me my day, but like we're gymming today, man. We going for a run to refresh my head. This is very important for the work I'm doing now. Very important to like do something we're gonna come home. It's time for me to gym, man. That's today. I'm ready to work. I remember I went to my lunch. I was like fighting pain. That was like very tough on the gym. If you get a chance, go to gym. You know, I'm going to go to a free one to learn the best of the gym. There's a gym now, I live in now. You know, fully packed. You know, fully packed. You know, we're going to be fresh, we're nice, we're ready for the next day. You know, let's do it, guys. It's time to cheer. It's time to. So let's do it. Danke. This feels good, man. I wish I could have done this more time, like more than what I've done. Like, feels great, man. Feels great. Feels good. Like I've done my rounds. I'm just like, I was losing. I wish I could have done this before, like, but like I'm enjoying it. I'll try by all means to come back. Sebangen is very healthy in my years with is on sale. My muscles is mine. So guys, this is the end of the day of Monday. Hope I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and share. The next day. Actually, guys, I don't have anything like to say or something, yeah? But today is Tuesday, guys. This was the outfit for today. Dango. The next day. Show of it. So today is Wednesday. It's Saturday, guys. And today, Madrid is playing against Bayern Munich. Abantu bangiconvince ukuthi since last week they've been convinced ukuthi mina Madrid ngizibuye. You know, they've been trying to convince me ukuthi Madrid ngizibuye. Yes, ayibhayi indlela kahle this season idlala kahle and we are lacking a lot, man. But mina ngoba ngiyayazi Madrid yami. Ngiyayisupport Madrid yami. Ngizofa la kufa khona Madrid. Ngithi mina we are coming back. We are coming back. So guys, today Real Madrid is playing Bayern. So guys, if you watch this to this point, please subscribe. Because today we're gonna be watching a ball. I'll try to watch it all today, guys. I'll try to watch a ball. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. That's Madridas. Forever Madridas. Hala Madrid. Hala Madrid. Let's do it. You see, since I started gymming, I started like running. I feel my body is very light, man. These are Oscar Pistorius. Come here. Pizza, das ist mir ein Slimmer. China. I mustn't go back. Maybe mustn't go back. I'm trying to find lights, man. I mustn't go back, abo. Mustn't go back, abo. I look at that. It's mustn't go back, abo. Right, in terms of kitchen and then like this, you know, really poorly, abo. Na calling a well fast. I think it's Jimmy, doing nani. Jimmy. I think we pay basic because it's been a long time since. But I think how many full 5 days because the 5 days very shy. 5 days so shy. We since after 6 days, like 18, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know, man. So yeah, guys. Yo, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. This is my first weekly vlog, man. This is my first weekly vlog. Please do just and subscribe, guys. We road to 200 subscribers. Let's do it.
So guys, I don't know what happened. But guys, my jersey got stained while I was coming here at work. So I don't know. Guys. Right now, I'm trying to fix it. You know, I'm trying to fix it because there's no way I'm going back to change. Because no, there's no way. I'm gonna try to fix it. This is a stain and this is the other stain, but it looks better now because this was very bad. So let's do it.
Because it looks better now. I don't know if you can see it looks better because it was very bad. It was very, very bad. Like, I swear, guys.
Now we're using it.
Luckily enough, I have time because I come early and it's like 9:20 in the 10. So I'm back. I'm like, I don't feel like because I'm from my 11 days.
Shile, guys. Shile today. And I'm glad boy, I'm glad Madrid. Yeah. I feel like I'm tired, man. I'm having big pains. Big pains, we wrong. I'm telling you. I'm skeptical about where Jimmy and I'm trying, but okay, fine. So boy. My battery is 8%. What do you mean it's never 8%? 8%! It's Asia. But anyways, we are here. Midnight Mall. We are here. Apparently we lost the parents. Now we're running. Alright. Let's go. We found them. We found them. Hey. Clean Panoise. There's one soccer player.
Soccer player. Soccer player. Soccer. Ha. Ezinye izinto. Ah. Azoke. Ay. Ezinye izinto. Ezinye izinto. Uzunjani bana ushange cookie fresh? Uzunjani? Hey. Ay. Ah. So, yeah. So bene. Na wangitshenge Barcelona shaye wesona wangitshenge Barcelona ephumile wangitshela ukuthi ephumile kwi-Champions League uthi usho uthi ngi-Champions uthi ngathi ngizobe sidlala namhlanje usho nje akodwa kuhobheke ku-2-1 hayi kodwa kunzima awunzima because ngiyolwasha namhlanje.
Guys, I'm gonna call this a day because right now phone I'm using 4% yabo futhi ngicishe noma yini yabo ngisathanda ivlog but like because today thank you so much for watching to the phone. Good night. Ishi bengisenza buka ibhola nami ayi guys ibhola nje sokuqala kuseni kunzima sibuka ibhola guys better ngisenani.
The next day.
I don't know whether you're seeing me or not. Like I hope you have seen me, bro, because I'm gonna talk about the game of Real Madrid, right? I did watch the match. Guys, we ended up beating guys. Leo. You know, but for the football game, it was a beautiful match. It was a beautiful match, man. It was like it had goals, man. It had goals. Yes, we had more goals. Bayern idlale kahle, Madrid idlale kahle. At the end of the day, continue win event. Yabo? I'm saying this remembering what in Mina. People have been trying to convince me ukuthi yabo. First, le game being ekho ekuthenini ukuthi hayi cha sodliwa straight. Ile njalo. Le njalo ngizoyibeka la, le njalo. So khama vingi. First, mawungaphandle igame uyibona ihamba kanjani. Awukwazi ukuthi mawungaphandle kube wena ozokwenza ama-picket mistake than abantu abangaphakathi. Khama vinga after first half ungena as a sub. Ngikhombeza ungena as a sub uzodala a lame tackle yabo. Ngiyabona ba tackle. Time wasting bro. Why you wasting time already une card? Yabo nje first. Basikhostile laba. Sikhostile phezulu. Sikhosi game yonke. Now mfethu no Vinicius phezulu. Kacha mathuba anzima kanjani? Vinicius kacha mathuba phezulu. Vinicius phezulu uMbappe phezulu hayi. Umbappe phezulu umbonisile uMbappe ukuthi hayi. Sathenga lapha. Omunye umuntu obeghost lapha. Umuntu obeghost uBellingham. Second half Bellingham ngimbonanga. Yabona nje first. But it's not guys, we'll see next time. Yeah. But like once Madrid, always Madrid guys. Once ngeno 10 pholiwe. Hazo ngeno 7-7. Hazo show man 7-7 baba. 7-7. So I'm just enjoying myself like it's okay. Guys, thank you so much. If you watched this vlog to this point, please subscribe, comment, and share. Send this to your sister, your brother, your friend, even to a group, your family group, and tell them there's MALUME WABASHANA on the real show, guys. Like, and tell them subscribing is for free, guys. Because I feel like people don't understand the fact that subscribe is free, guys. Like on YouTube, not like you are subscribing to Spotify, subscribing to any other music or any other subscription like DSTV or something, guys. Subscribe with this for free. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Targo. Right now, sisenyameni with my kids. Sisenyameni, guys. This is what I'll pay. So, let's go. Kasi ngenyama mana itu. Macam mau ngenyama lah yang man. Abu Halis sisi ndio mimi na mali. Yego. Buka kai. Shwari. Yego. Aibu. Ngada mali tak. Sobre snowball singala. Snowball singala. Ngada sibone. Guys, I feel like this dog is you know, there's a lot to film. A lot to show. But I feel like it's a good idea to end now. We will see each other to the next vlog. Please subscribe to us, guys. Comment and share.